lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are well. Today's video I'm finally getting around to filming my room tour. I have been just adding a few bits here and there, putting pictures up, just finally getting it to how I want it to be and kind of yeah, getting to having it like my room again. But yeah, if you guys didn't know, I've been going through a breakup and everything, and I've just been slowly sorting my room out to try and make it feel like my room again. And I'm going to show it to you. I know I did a room tour recently, like, oh god, 5-6 months ago now, and I've been saying for ages I was going to finally get around to doing another one, but it's finally done. I finally painted it, all my pictures are on the wall and stuff like that. So I'm going to give you a tour. So let's get straight into it. So I'm going to start from coming into my door. I've obviously got dressing gowns, coats and stuff like that on the door that don't fit in my wardrobe, so that's a bit boring. Let's go this way first. So I've just got my calendar behind me and my bookcase, so I think I'm going to spin you guys around so you get a better look. So coming around from the door, I'm sorry the lighting's not very good, it's a very gloomy day here in the UK. But yeah, I've just got my calendar up on the wall, and then you come down and all my books are on the bookcase. Obviously I've done a book haul of my bookcase, so go and see that if you want a more in-depth detail of it. But I've got my little trinkets on here, more books, and just a random bag of DVDs which I need to sort out. But yeah, they're all my books that I have at the moment. I'm currently reading 2, and I'm slowly getting through them. Moving around, just ignore that, that's not staying there. But yeah, I've got my chair and my mirror desk and my little like vanity area, with a lovely shelf above it. I've just got some little knickknacks up there. I have left my mirror on to try and get a little bit of light in here because it's not the best today. But I recently got some like little bits here for my desk, so it's a bit more like girly and things. Got my makeup, skincare stuff, and then jewellery is in there, as you can see. And then yeah, got my little mirror. Yeah, so I love this. I will link down below where I got it. I don't know if they still do it, but yeah. And then just got like, I've got my shoes under there, and then I've just got some like storage drawers just for like other stuff I didn't want on display here. And then moving around, I've got a little orchid on the windowsill there, and then I've got my bedside tables and then my lamps. And then moving around, I've got my bed here. Nothing special, it's a bed. And then I've got my lovely little giraffe print on the wall there. I haven't decided what I want to put there. I'm thinking maybe a nice like neon light or something, but I'm not quite sure yet. Or maybe another picture. So yes, we'll see. I don't know. Moving around, I've got my bedside table, so this is my side of the bed. I've currently got my dog, bless her, one of my dogs sleeping on my pillows, so I didn't want to wake her up for this video, but obviously they would normally be there. But yeah, this is my side. I've got camera battery charging and stuff like that, rubbish down there, and then I've got a nice little orchid on the window there, and obviously we've got Daisy on the floor. And then I've got a nice little drawer unit this side where I keep all my clothes and stuff, you know, standard. And then I've got my vase, some dog treats, my candle, which I probably should have lit, and then I've got my lovely little orchid, Lego orchid, which I absolutely love. And then I have my big Stitch, who sits here, and then here at the end I've got like my label printer, thermal printer thing for when I send stuff. And then moving up, I've finally got all of my pictures on the wall. So my big stitch, my sister did get me, and she actually got that one as well. I got that cowboy boot one from, I think, like a little craft fair that I went to in my local area, which was really nice. And then moving up, I've got my beauty pictures on the wall. They are from Desenio. You get the picture and the print, the picture and the frame, if you wanted them both together. So yeah, finally got all these up on the wall the other week. My dad actually helped and put them up for me, which was really good because it kind of feels like my room now. So moving over, I have the dog bed, and my other little dog Jasmine is in there as well, fast asleep, bless her. And then I've got a couple more orchids on the windowsill, and then another little plant that my little nephew got me, bless him. Moving around, I've just got some bits up there which aren't very exciting, stuff I'm trying to get rid of, but that's my wardrobe. That's from Argos, and at the time we just put the little door handles on there. It doesn't come with it, so and then that's what it looks like at the bottom there. I want to kind of get another one because it's getting a bit old and hard to open drawers and stuff, but it's doing it alright for now. And then moving over, the last part of my room, my favourite part of the room, my gaming area, and then my TV is on the wall. I'm currently watching Brogan's Adventures. But yeah, this is my gaming setup that I have at the moment. If it does look wonky, it's because my floor is wonky, so please don't come at me for that. But yeah, I've just got 2 Alex drawers either side, and then I've got a long worktop from IKEA along the top, and then obviously it's supported under there. I know my cable management is terrible. I need to sort that. That's my next job. But yeah, this is my PC, and then I've got my PlayStation 5 with my controllers, and then my PC setup, so my screens and keyboard and my chair as well, which I absolutely love. I know it's not the best setup in the world, but it's doing well for me at the moment. I've got my speakers under there as well, and obviously my microphone when I'm not using it, it stays there. And then because of my speaker and my TV, my ring light is kind of just resting there to get more light and stuff. So and then I have my neon lights that I finally put up. Kind of, you can't really tell what the colour is on camera, but it looks a bit lighter than it does in person. But yeah, so I've got those, and then I have my headphones. I put these here for now. They were over there, but because I put my light up, I kind of wanted to move them around. So they're here for now, but I still want to do a bit of jigging around. And then I've got my 2 Xbox consoles this side as well. Let's try and put these on. So they're the other 2 lights. These are all just from Amazon. Colour's not really doing it justice, unfortunately, on camera, but it is what it is. So yeah, so I've got my Xbox One and then my Xbox Series X here with my 2 controllers as well. And then I've got my Skybox just tucked away in there. So yeah, that's my gaming area. But if you guys are interested, I do have a separate gaming channel. I will link it down below if you guys are interested in seeing me play. But yeah, I know some people don't like gaming content, so I've created a separate gaming channel if you guys are interested. I am about halfway through playing The Last of Us at the moment, and I would like to touch on some like horror gaming content and stuff like that. I've got lots of games in mind that I do want to play, so if you are interested, go check out my channel. But yeah, I know this video is going to be a bit short and sweet, but that is finally my little room tour and update. This is what my room's like, and yeah, I've got it to the best that I want it to be. And yeah, finally comfortable. in it. It finally feels like my room again, which is really nice, and I finally got everything how I want it for now, so yes, I'm very happy about that. And I've got the girls with me most of the time when I'm here at home, so that's really nice, and yeah, they keep me company. So that is pretty much it for me, guys. If you did enjoy this video, then please do like and please do subscribe. It would really help me out, and it lets me know what content you do enjoy. And hope you guys are well. Let me know what content you'd like me to film in the future. I'm trying to think of like other things I can film. But yeah, let me know what you think, and I hope you guys are well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.